Department is concerned about the rise of positive COVID-19 cases in Bethulie. There are more than 40 cases, confirmed cases, and one death in that part of the country. The community calling on the department to provide isolation sites as they fear numbers will continue to rise in this small town. We crossed and spoke to Aphumelele Mdlalane, a reporter earlier. Aphumelele, we're back to you. We see there's a number of the elderly behind you. We know that in particular today, some of them are there to pick up their grants. And in particular with what we just spoke about, it must be worrying for them to try to contain the virus.
Another issue that these residents are raising here is an issue of service delivery. If you can remember earlier on, I did mention that this area, which is Bethulie in Kopanong municipality, has 47 confirmed cases of coronavirus, and residents on the ground are very concerned about the issue. They are saying that the Department of Health has not taken this serious, but talking to the Department of Health, they did say that they will direct all resources to this area, as now it is a hot spot, even though the residents are still saying that also the isolation site should be at least nearby this area, not all the way to Bloemfontein, because from here to Bloemfontein it's about 2 hours traveling. So they are of course concerned, and if you can see just around me, also they were saying that the issue of social distancing, it's not feasible here, as there's no police or rather law enforcers on the ground to try and maintain social distancing. Today is the busy day here. As we know, SASSA beneficiaries continue to queue up for their money, but also I must say that they are really concerned and stressed, as others did arrive here at early hours of the morning. I'm just going to talk to one of the residents just to understand the frustrations that have been heated up in this area, with also the issue of the queue here. Mama, kasicacisele nifike nilapha uthethile uba akukho mali enifumeneyo.
Ndifike apha mna ndifikela aba bantu behleli apha ndiliyabuza into bakulindwe ntoni oko bebhalisiwe kubhalisiwe. Some of them bafike ngo-6 apha kuthiwa imali iphelile, nyanga nenyanga sihlala njengoba sihlele ehlobo. Andiyazi ke ngoku ilanga nalitshisayo khona abantu bakho sawuphelela zitheni. Into yesibini, nasingena apha ngaphakathi eposini kusebenza umtshini oyi-1, kusebenza umuntu oyi-1.
Just one of the residents, of course, raising frustrations. As you can see, the long queues here, even though there is chairs that have been provided for elderly people, but they are saying that they've arrived here in the early hours of the morning, and they are concerned that they are still waiting for the money to arrive. Apparently, there's still money that is supposed to be arriving. They're still waiting, and I must say today is blazing hot. They are frustrated. Others are in chronic medication, and they are saying that they are hungry. It's just a frustrated issue here. And also with the issue of Department of Health, they are saying if they can speed up the process to come in this area and address the issue of coronavirus and also the issue of service delivery. But we will just monitor, of course, the place to give you more information, as we still see that here in town people are still busy trying to run their essentials. But for now, all I can say is that it's back to you in studio.
Aphumelele Mdlalane, our reporter down in the Free State, thank you indeed for coming live to us, as well as video journalist Thabo Katsande, the two of you doing some outstanding work down